Hi, welcome to Main Street Dance and Music in Manville, New Jersey. My name is Julie and I'm going to be your tap dance teacher today. I'm going to show you basically one combination of variation of different ways from extreme beginner through advanced. I'll show you the back view first and then I'll show you the side view. And then at the end, I'm going to add a little something to every level to give it just a little more spice. So let's get started. Now for the side view. Now I'm going to add a fancy ball change to all levels. So instead of just doing ball change, I'm going to do toe, heel, heel, toe. Side view, and then again after this I'm going to add another thing to each step to make it really fun. Okay, now we'll do it through one more time, and you have your choice of adding a flap heel at the end instead of a stamp, or a slurp. So you'll actually do that twice for each level. So it'll be heel, step, heel, toe, heel, toe, flap heel, or slurp. Heel, step, heel, toe, flap heel, or slurp. I'll do the back view with the flap heel, all levels, and the side view with the slurp, all levels. Now all levels with the slurp at the end. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite level. And remember, it all started here. heel, step, heel, step, heel, ball, change, stamp. Anybody can learn how to tap dance, you just have to take the first step. Happy tapping!